んにちは皆さん。お元気ですか？ Hello, how are you? Today we are going to learn grammar number 17 of my videos. Grammar number 17. I'm explaining the grammars gradually, little by little. So if you are watching my videos from the grammar 1 to grammar 17 and also vocabulary, I think today's video is not going to be very difficult because I only use the sentences that you already know. Okay? And also in the end of this video, there is a quiz with 10 questions. So if you are even more advanced student, you can stay here and in the end, you can challenge the exam. 10 questions. Then you will know if you know these sentences very well. Okay? Well, 何、誰、どこ、いつ These are the words for the questions. You know, 何 What? 誰 Who? どこ Where? いつ When? And with these words, with か and the meaning is going to be different. We use this sentence when we don't know very sure or it's not very important to know what it is. For example, 何か Nani was what? The thing, right? 何か Well, 何か it means something. Something. We don't know what, but something. 何か誰か 誰 was who and 誰か means someone, somebody. So we're not very sure who, someone, 誰かどこか So どこ was the place where どこか somewhere いつかいつ it was when So いつか it's sometime, but not sometimes in the future. Or someday. This is いつか So the meaning is going to be very different only with 何 or 何か I want to explain you one by one. Well, the first with 何か something 何か Do you remember this verb? 食べます to eat. And this one? 昨日、今日、明日 Yesterday, today, tomorrow 昨日、今日、明日 And this verb, the second one 買います to buy Then if I say 昨日 yesterday 何昨日 sorry デパートで This is the place デパートで何か買いましたか昨日デパートで何か買いましたかデパート This is the department store 昨日デパートで何か買いましたか Did you buy something in a department store? 昨日デパートで何か買いましたか Now the second sentence with 誰か The second one 誰か Someone Well, this verb 来ます to come 来ます And you remember tomorrow is 明日 This is tomorrow If I say 明日誰か来ますか明日誰か来ますか Somebody is coming tomorrow 明日誰か来ますか Someone is coming tomorrow And this verb, new one 助けます It means to help but like the salvation So I know if you don't know for the form て but only this one, okay? 助けてください Please help me Please solve me 助けてください many times we can say 誰か助けて誰か助けて Please help me anyone but please help me 誰か助けて We use that sentence 誰か So it doesn't matter whoever 誰か助けて誰か助けて Now the third one どこか somewhere someplace Well, do you remember 一緒に together 一緒に食べます eat So, for example 一緒に食べませんか Why don't we eat together? 一緒に食べませんか Now, どこかで一緒に食べませんかどこかで一緒に食べませんか Why don't we eat together in somewhere? So I use どこかで not only どこか but どこかで because で in the place どこかで for example 学校で at school 私の家で in my house で is the place andで is in that place something happens. So どこかで一緒に食べませんかどこかで一緒に食べませんか why don't we eat together in some place like that? And do you remember this word お兄さんお兄ちゃん This is elder brother お兄ちゃんお兄さん And this verb 行きます to go So I can say お兄ちゃんはどこかへ行きました or お兄ちゃんはどこかに行きました Well, I use not only どこか but I also add the other particle どこかに to somewhere どこかへ to somewhere So you can use に or へお兄ちゃんはどこかへ行きました Oh, my brother went somewhere My elder brother went somewhere I don't know お兄ちゃんはどこかへ行きましたお兄ちゃんはどこかに行きました Like that So sometimes we add the other particle It depends Now the last one いつかsomeday いつか行きます to go いつか日本に行きますいつか日本に行きます Someday I go to Japan 日本に行きます or also you can use 日本へ行きます like direction いつか日本へ行きますいつか日本に行きます and this one また this is the new one また this is again once more again また and会います we watched this we saw this verb 会います to meet someone or to see each other and if I say いつかまた会いましょういつかまた会いましょう Well, let's meet together once more again let's see each other again okay and いつかまた会いましょう Do you remember? With ましょう like let's do something ましょういつかまた会いましょう So now the quiz time Please prepare your paper and pencil Well, there will be 10 questions from the first to number 5 That will be the dictation But this dictation is at the same time is the questions So maybe you must answer these questions in Japanese And in this dictation you can write in hiragana and katakana But if you can also please use kanji Okay? So there will be 10 questions Let's get started 1番目日曜日どこかに行きましたか日曜日 どこかに行きましたか？日曜日、日曜日。どこかに、どこかに行きましたか？行きましたか？日曜日、どこかに行きましたか？日曜日、どこかに行きましたか？2番目、2番目。昨日、誰かに会いましたか？昨日、誰かに会いましたか？昨日、昨日、誰かに、誰かに会いましたか？会いましたか？昨日、誰かに会いましたか？昨日、誰かに会いましたか？3番目、3番目。今朝、何か食べましたか？今朝、何か食べましたか？今朝、今朝、何か、何か食べましたか？食べましたか？今朝何か食べましたか？ 4 番目、4番目。先月、お母さんに何か買いましたか？先月、お母さんに何か買いましたか？先月、先月、お母さんに、お母さんに、何か、何か、買いましたか？先月、お母さんに何か買いましたか？先月、お母さんに何か買いましたか？5番目、5番目。今週の土曜日、どこかで会いませんか？今週の土曜日、どこかで会いませんか？今週の、今週の土曜日、土曜日。どこかで、どこかで、どこかで会いませんか？会いませんか？今週の土曜日、どこかで会いませんか？今週の土曜日、どこかで会いませんか？今週の土曜日、どこかで会いませんか？ Now, from 6 to 10, you're going to translate into Japanese, okay? Number 6, 6番目、6番目。Someday, I'm going to buy my house. Someday, I'm going to buy my house. 7番目、the seventh, 7番目。Let's have some rest somewhere. Let's have some rest somewhere. Let's have some rest somewhere. 8番目、8、8番目。Why don't we drink something? Why don't we drink something? Or would you like some drink? Like, why don't we drink something? Would you like drink something? That was 8th. Now, 9th. 9番目。Why don't we go somewhere tomorrow? Why don't we go somewhere tomorrow? 10番目 The last one 10番目最後頑張ってね。Anyone read this book? No, nobody. Anybody read this book? No, nobody read it. So this was a little bit difficult. So 2 sentences. Anybody read this book? Anybody read this book? No, no one. Do you remember that no one? Okay. Did you think this video was useful for you to practice Japanese? If so, please don't forget to give me like. And if you share my video with your friends, that helped me very much. And please subscribe my channel to receive all of my videos. 今日もここまで見てくださってどうもありがとうございます。ぜひチャンネル登録といいねボタン、そしてお友達と私のビデオをシェアしていただけたらとても嬉しいです。またコメントなどがあったらぜひ書いてくださいね。じゃあまたね。バイバイ。